Hello everyone. Take my salam and cordial law. Hope you all are well. I am also by the grace of Almighty Allah. First of all, thanks to Honorable Moderator for giving me a chance in this debate competition organized by HEXA'S GOBINDAGANJ. I am Kanji. I am the opposition group leader, and today's our debate topic is village life is most comfortable than city life. Now I am going to describe about village life is so easy and better than city life. And I will show some points about that in this debate competition. Honorable Moderator, first of all, I prefer to live in the village rather than city. Because in village the environment is very pure, tasteful, noiseless and without pollution. But we cannot find the fresh environment in city life. In city that have noiseful, unpure and peaceful environment in there. Secondly, Honorable Moderator, I strongly believe that we can see Bangladeshi culture and tradition in the village life, but we cannot see our traditional program in the city life. Villagers live a simple life. They are honest, helpful, amiable, faithful, and very extremely hard worker. But if you see the city's people, they are completely opposite and they are very weak and lazy. Respectable Moderator, if you look at the big country, India and Bangladesh, you can see that India and Bangladesh more people live in village rather than city. Respectable Moderator, I think city life is very costly. A poor person cannot survive in city. But village life is very cheap life. It's not too much expensive for everyone. And it is more comfortable than village life. That's it. Thank you.